management for this good experience and good event.
We really enjoyed today's event.
We had so much fun, played super good games with everyone. Thank you.
Happy National Day, UAE.
Thank you, Dubai Holding Community Management, for making this event come true. Appreciate it. Thank you. Happy National Day.